Hi, welcome to the lesson, the continuation of the yesterday's lesson, where we were talking about the noun class of mua, the animate thing, the noun class of the nouns of animals. You see, the names of animals and all those things that are animate. So today we're going to finalizing here agreement with relative clauses. We didn't finish this lesson. Agreement with relative clauses, as explained earlier. A relative clause is called Kirijishi in Kiswahili. It implies the one who, like the one who did something, the one who ate my food, the one who walked, the one who is studying. That implication, or the one which. Okay. There are two types of Kirijishi in Swahili, and that is Kirijishi amba and Kirijishi o. So you can choose whatever you want to use, but you should not mix them. So if you want to use this Kirijishi amba, don't use Kirijishi o. And if you want to use Kirijishi o, don't use Kirijishi amba. Sawa. So here are examples of Kirijishi amba. It agrees with the mua class as follow. So in singular form, it takes the suffix ye. This ye, it is attached at this end here. So it will be ambaye, ambaye, okay? It's attached there. While in plural form, it takes the suffix o. Now, instead of ye, in plural form, we'll attach o. So it will be ambao. Example, mtoto ambaye atachora, the child who will draw. Watoto ambao watachora, children who will draw. Okay, watoto ambao. Here, mtoto ambaye, ye here atachora, the child who will draw. Then here, watoto ambao, ambao watachora, children who will draw. I gave here another example here. This should be part C. This should be part C. Mwalimu ambaye, I should color this one to blue. Mwalimu ambaye anaandika, the teacher who is writing here. Now here just mwalimu ambaye anaandika, the teacher who is writing. Now look here, this is na and this is ta. This is ta is for future and this na is for present. You see, ta here, it is corresponding with will, that is future tense. Then na, anaandika, there should be double a here. Mwalimu ambaye anaandika, the teacher who is writing. The verb here is andika. This is the verb. This one is the verb, okay? The verb is andika. Andika. So here also this one is the verb, chora, draw, okay? Even here, this is a verb, chora, okay? The other ones, these are, this ta is a prefix for tense. This is a prefix for the second person. The mtoto ambaye, the third person. Even this one wa for the third person, plural. This one for the present tense. This one here, ta here is for the future tense, na here for the present tense. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, then in plural form will be walimu ambao wanaandika, walimu ambao wanaandika. That is the teachers who are writing. You see, the teachers who are writing, ambao wanaandika. Walimu ambao wanaandika, the teachers who are writing. So here who should just be in red, even here. Okay guys, so I hope you have understood these parts. Walimu ambao wanaandika. For this past tense, you just replace this na with li. You see, this li. Okay, this one li is for the past tense. So if you want to write this sentence in the past tense, you just replace here with li. Okay, sawa. Now we're going to the second part, Kirijishi O and how it agrees. Kirijishi O, it agrees with this class as follows. It takes ye in singular form and O in plural form. But this one, we don't attach them at the end of the word. We just conjugate between the verb. Okay, examples are here. Mwalimu anayefundisha Kiswahili. Mwalimu anayefundisha Kiswahili. The verb here is fundisha. Then here it implies the one who. Okay, mwalimu anayefundisha, the teacher who is teaching Swahili language. You know, Kiswahili is Swahili language. Mwalimu anayefundisha Kiswahili. Fundisha, the verb. Ye, it is implying the one who is. Then na is this is a present tense, and a prefix for the third person. In plural, we say walimu wanaofundisha Kiswahili. Walimu wanaofundisha Kiswahili. So you know, it is here O is attached between this verb and these other prefixes like this one. The personal pronoun prefix, the tense prefix, and now we come here O, the relative clause. Then walimu wanaofundisha Kiswahili, then we have mwanafunzi anayecheza. Mwanafunzi anayecheza, student who is playing. Mwanafunzi anayecheza, student who is playing. Mwanafunzi anayecheza, the one who is playing. Okay, the student who is playing. Cheza is a verb which means play. Wanafunzi wanaocheza. Wanafunzi wanaocheza, students who are playing. Wanafunzi wanaocheza. Okay, so this marks the end of this lesson, guys. There is other aspects that we need to be discussed, but I think we'll discuss them in the future lessons. So kwaheri, kuwa na siku njema.